Hello folks, the next item we're going to look at here is by a company called Fridge Pak, and that's basically what it is. It's a refrigerator pack, and to me it's like a portable lunch bag type thing that's refrigerated. So here's what they call it. It's a fully insulated fridge pack. That's the name of the company, Fridge Pak, and it comes in. You can find them online as well as department stores. They come in different sizes as well. It has a handle here. Some have larger handles, which you can use as a carrying strap, put it over your folder. This one happens to have a smaller one. And they come in various sizes. They're made out of this like a plastic polyester material. It's a polyester material. They call it 600D polyester. It has a zipper top. Different compartments here. It's got a zipper top where you can open it up. And there's the inside, and it's lined with like a plastic, gray plastic or silver plastic vinyl or polyester. And in between it's got these insulation layers to keep stuff cool. I use it as a lunch bag. You know, this is a smaller size. I could put my sandwich in there. I could put some cool drinks, and as long as you keep it out of the direct sunlight, it does keep the stuff pretty cool. I mean, it's not going to keep it cool for days, but for hours, you know, half a day, something like that, you know, before you have your lunch, it's fine. So I pack my lunch here in the morning, close it up, and I'm ready to go. Some of them have more than one compartment. This one has another compartment in the front here, as you can see. And in here you can keep, you know, if you have like a soup or something in there, or something that you need utensils with, you can put your spoon, fork, knife in there and zip it up, and it keeps it in there from losing it. It's pretty cool. Like I said, some of them have other pockets, you know. This one just has one, and it's a smaller size. Yeah, it's pretty handy. Incidentally, you don't have to use these just as lunch bags. They make really, since they're insulated and kind of cushiony, they also make really good bags for putting. Well, I use them too to put my camera equipment in there. Believe it or not, my DSLR camera, whatever other accessories, it works great for that. You know, they're not very expensive. You know, they're very affordable. And like I said, they come in different sizes and different colors. So I like this silver and black one because it's pretty neutral. It's weird that it's got a blue stripe on it, a blue strap, but whatever, for the price, I'm not going to argue. This one's about, let's see, I'd say it's about, well, let's get our trusty pen in here just to look at the size and see what it's like. Yeah, see, this is a regular household pen right here. So you can kind of see what the size is. It's about a little over 6 inches, probably like 8 or 9 inches, but about 6 inches high. Probably about 7, 8 inches deep. It's a pretty nice little compact size. Like I said, they come in different sizes. You can you have a pretty good selection of what you want between the sizes and the colors. You have a pretty good selection. So yeah, so I use it as a cooler when I go to work, and then I bought like 4 or 5 of these. So like I said, one I use as a cooler, the other ones I use for carrying camera gear. I can put my camera in there, whatever other accessories. My band of music gigs, I put microphones in here. It makes a really nice microphone case. As you can see, it opens up like I opened up before. You can stick some microphones in there, and what I do is I put some foam in there, put some microphones in there, and it makes a great microphone carrying case. And it'll keep your microphones cool too. Well, like you really need that. Anyway, that's what's pretty cool. And they I said, this one here is made by a company called Fridge Pak. You can find many sizes on the internet, which is good. I like it when you have a choice for different sizes. You're not stuck with one size fits all. Let's see what else I can tell you about this. Yeah, and it's also real light. This one probably weighs like, what, about 13 ounces, something like that. And they're pretty well insulated. Like, they don't leak. Like, if you have any liquids in there, it's not going to leak outside. Like if you have it like on your car seat or anything like that. If something leaks inside of it, it's not going to leak outside and leak onto your car seat and make it all messy. That's pretty cool. It's good for traveling too, since it's so light. You know, it's not that heavy to carry. You can carry it on camping trips. I take it a lot to my when I put lunch in it. I take it a lot to my shoots, my video shoots. I just have to remember, since I have more than one, I have them different colors. I just have to remember that on one cooler I'm using it to put away my equipment, my camera and stuff, and the other one has my food in it. So as long as I remember that, I'm fine. Anyway, so that's the breakdown on the Fridge Pak. Here it is. Let's see, Fridge Pak right there. Fridge Pak. And you can find them on the internet and in department stores. Anyway, have a good one and enjoy.